Vanakkam, Namaste, hello everyone. Thank you for visiting my channel. For today's unboxing, we have Dyazo USB TypeC 3.1, 3.0 to USB-A female OTG adapter, which is compatible with MacBook Pro, Air, Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, Ultra Note 10, S9, S8, USB adapter and all TypeC devices. Dyazo USB Type-C adapter, smaller, smarter and more convenient to USB Type-C connector with the reversible design, simplifies the connection, plug and unplug easily without checking the connector orientation. Compact, metallic build. Take this Dyazo mini adapter anywhere. This is light and compact. Compatible with OnePlus 5, 3T, MacBook 12 inches, Chromebook Pixel, Nexus 5X, Nexus 6P and other supported USB-C devices. This product comes with 1-year warranty, so no need to worry, just plug in and enjoy. I used Dyazo Type-C adapter for my MacBook M1. Overall, I can give a double thumbs up for this product. That is all about my review and experience with this Dyazo USB Type-C OTG adapter. Before you move, please like and share this video and support our channel. Thank you again for visiting. See you soon.